Hey everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So today I'm going to talk about one of many different ways to get firmer, tighter, and brighter skin, and who doesn't want that? And so the way that I'm going to talk about today is with a product by Brickell, one of our brands. So this particular product is called Resurfacing Anti-Aging Cream. So it's quite a rich, luxurious cream, but it is very, very absorbent. I'll just show you sort of the consistency here. So nice and creamy, but it does disappear nicely into the skin. I've gone through a couple jars of this product. I really like it. It is technically a day cream, but I've experimented with using it at nighttime too. I do find that it gives your skin quite a dewy look to it. So if you're looking for like a really matte finished product, this might not be the one for you to use during the day at least. You could try it at nighttime. But in terms of the results that it produced or gave me, I was quite happy with it. So key benefits, as I mentioned, are firming, tightening, brightening. And it does that with a few different ingredients. The three key ingredients are vitamin C, which I think everybody has heard about. Vitamin C is it's a powerhouse antioxidant. It helps to protect the skin from the destruction that free radicals cause. It helps to stimulate collagen production. Collagen is one of the main reasons, or the loss of collagen is one of the main reasons why we age. So our ability to naturally produce it decreases over time. And so this helps to stimulate the collagen production, which makes our skin look younger. Number two would be MSM. MSM is a nutrient that's found in a lot of superfoods like spinach and kale. And this ingredient is what's responsible for helping to reduce any sort of pigmentation or discoloration issues in the skin. So basically just giving your skin like a nice even tone to it. And then the last key ingredient is something called Barrage Oil. Barrage Oil is it's a type of oil that's got a really, really high concentration of a specific type of acid called GLA, gamma linolenic acid. And what this acid does is it helps to restore moisture and basically give the skin like a nice sort of plump, youthful look to it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So as with all the Brickell products, they're natural, organic, so no nasty chemicals or anything are going on the skin. So check it out, shopmasc.com. Experiment with it, try it during the day. That's what it's intended to be used for, or you can use it at nighttime. And the end result with consistent use will be firmer, tighter, brighter skin. Thanks for listening.